Welcome to Coahuila, a state in northern Mexico where the earth reveals its raw beauty. Here the very land itself seems to whisper tales of ancient times, of scorching deserts and hidden oases, of creatures uniquely adapted to thrive in this land of stark contrast. Join us now as we venture into the heart of Coahuila to explore its diverse landscapes and encounter the remarkable creatures that call this place home. Stretching as far as the eye can see, the Coahuila Desert dominates this land, a vast and mesmerizing expanse that seems to go on forever. The desert's sheer size and stark beauty are both awe-inspiring and humbling, a reminder of nature's raw power and grandeur. A seemingly endless expanse of sand dunes sculpted by the wind, each dune a testament to the relentless forces of nature. The wind, a constant artist, shapes and reshapes the landscape, creating patterns and forms that are both intricate and ephemeral. But look closer, for life here persists against all odds. In this harsh environment where temperatures soar and water is scarce, a myriad of plants and animals have adapted to survive. Each species has its own unique strategies and secrets for thriving in such an unforgiving place. The resilient creosote bush, with its waxy leaves, has mastered the art of survival in this arid environment. Its leaves are coated with a protective layer that reduces water loss, allowing it to endure the scorching heat and dry conditions. And beneath the scorching sun, a fascinating creature makes its home, the kangaroo rat, a small but remarkable rodent. This tiny animal has evolved to survive without ever taking a single drop of water, obtaining all the moisture it needs from the seeds it eats. Its kidneys are so efficient that it can extract every bit of water from its food, a remarkable adaptation that allows it to thrive in one of the driest places on Earth. This unforgiving landscape also cradles a secret, the Cuatro Ciénegas Biosphere Reserve. Nestled within the desert, this reserve is a sanctuary of life, a place where the past and present coexist in a delicate balance. Here, amidst the arid desert, turquoise lagoons shimmer like jewels, remnants of an ancient sea. These lagoons are a stark contrast to the surrounding desert. Their vibrant blue waters a beacon of life in an otherwise barren landscape. These pools harbor a unique ecosystem, home to stromatolites, ancient life forms that have existed for billions of years. These living fossils are a window into the Earth's distant past, providing valuable insights into the origins of life. Living fossils that tell the story of life's earliest beginnings, stromatolites are a testament to the resilience and adaptability of life. In the Cuatro Ciénegas Biosphere Reserve, they continue to thrive, a living link to a time when life on Earth was just beginning to take shape. Our journey takes us now beneath the surface, into the depths of the Cueva de las Huelitas. Here darkness reigns supreme, broken only by the beams of our lamps, revealing a hidden world of breathtaking beauty. Over millennia, water has patiently carved this subterranean labyrinth, creating a wonderland of stalactites and stalagmites. Each twist and turn reveals new wonders, delicate formations that glitter like diamonds in the darkness. This is a place of profound silence where time seems to stand still, a testament to the Earth's enduring power to sculpt and shape. We leave the desert floor behind us now, ascending into the cool embrace of the Sierra de la Mujer Muerta. These mountains, their peaks often shrouded in mist, offer a welcome respite from the desert heat. Here pine forests blanket the slopes, their air thick with the scent of pine needles. This is a haven for a different kind of wildlife, a place where black bears lumber through the undergrowth and nimble-footed deer graze in sun-dappled clearings. High above, golden eagles soar on thermals, their keen eyes scanning the landscape for prey. The Sierra de la Mujer Muerta, a place of quiet beauty, reminds us of the diversity of Coahuila's landscapes. Coahuila's diverse landscapes provide sanctuary to a remarkable array of creatures, each adapted to thrive in its own unique niche. From the arid deserts to the lush forests and the towering mountains to the serene rivers, every corner of Coahuila is teeming with life. The region's varied ecosystems create a mosaic of habitats, each supporting a unique community of flora and fauna. This diversity is not just a testament to the resilience of nature, but also to the intricate balance that sustains life in this part of the world. In the desert, the pronghorn antelope, the fastest land mammal in North America, races across the open plains, its tan coat blending seamlessly with the surroundings. These remarkable creatures can reach speeds of up to 55 miles per hour, a necessity for evading predators in the vast open landscape. Their keen eyesight allows them to spot danger from miles away, and their powerful legs carry them swiftly to safety. The pronghorn's ability to thrive in such a harsh environment is a marvel of evolution, showcasing the adaptability and endurance of wildlife in Coahuila. High in the mountains, the elusive cougar, a phantom of the forest, stalks its prey with stealth and precision. These solitary predators are masters of camouflage, blending into the rocky terrain and dense foliage. With powerful muscles and acute senses, cougars can silently approach their prey, often leaping great distances to make a kill. Their presence is a vital part of the mountain ecosystem, helping to control the populations of herbivores and maintain the natural balance. The cougar's adaptability to various habitats within Coahuila is a testament to its survival skills. Near the rivers and streams, the American black bear, a powerful omnivore, forages for berries, roots, and insects. These bears are highly adaptable, with diets that change with the seasons. In spring, they feast on fresh vegetation and insects, while in summer and fall, they gorge on berries and nuts to build up fat reserves for the winter. Black bears are also excellent swimmers, often seen fishing for trout in the clear, cold waters of Coahuila's rivers. Their foraging habits play a crucial role in seed dispersal, contributing to the health and regeneration of the forest. And in the skies above, the peregrine falcon, a master of aerial acrobatics, plummets from the heavens at breathtaking speed to capture its prey. These raptors are the fastest birds in the world, capable of reaching speeds over 200 miles per hour during their hunting dives. Their keen eyesight allows them to spot prey from great heights, and their powerful talons ensure a swift, deadly capture. The peregrine falcon's presence in Coahuila's skies is a symbol of the untamed beauty and raw power of nature. These creatures and countless others weave a rich tapestry of life across the Coahuila landscape. Each species, no matter how big or small, plays a vital role in the ecosystem, contributing to the delicate balance that sustains this vibrant region. From the tiniest insects to the largest mammals, the interconnectedness of life in Coahuila is a reminder of the beauty and complexity of nature. As we explore these diverse habitats, we gain a deeper appreciation for the intricate web of life that makes Coahuila a truly unique and precious part of our world. Our journey now takes us to a place of stark and surreal beauty, the Salinas de Para. Here, the earth has transformed into a blinding expanse of white, a vast salt flat stretching towards the horizon. These salt flats are not devoid of life, however. Tiny brine shrimp thrive in the salty water, their pink hues painting the landscape with unexpected color. The salt itself forms intricate patterns, a testament to the forces of evaporation and crystallization. The Salinas de Paras, a photographer's paradise, reminds us of the artistic hand of nature. In this arid landscape, water is life, and the Rio Sabinas is a lifeline for the creatures that depend on it. This ribbon of life, winding its way through the desert, brings with it a burst of green. Cottonwood trees and willows line its banks, their roots drinking deeply from the life-giving water. The Rio Sabinas provides a vital source of water for wildlife, from the deer that come to drink at its edge to the fish that teem in its depths. For the people of Coahuila, the Rio Sabinas is essential for agriculture, its waters irrigating fields and sustaining communities. Coahuila's plant life is as diverse as its landscapes, a testament to nature's ability to adapt and thrive. From the arid deserts to the lush canyons, each region of Coahuila offers a unique environment that supports a wide variety of plant species. This diversity is not just a visual spectacle, but also a crucial part of the ecosystem, providing food and shelter to countless animals and insects. In the desert, cacti stand tall, their prickly exteriors hiding a surprising amount of moisture. These resilient plants have adapted to the harsh conditions by developing thick skins and spines to reduce water loss and protect themselves from herbivores. The cacti's ability to store water allows them to survive long periods of drought, making them a symbol of endurance and resilience in the desert landscape. The agave, with its sword-like leaves, has been used for centuries by the indigenous people of Coahuila to produce food, drink, and fiber. This versatile plant is not only a source of sustenance, but also a cultural icon. The agave's leaves can be used to make ropes and mats, while its sap is fermented to produce traditional beverages like pulque and mezcal. The plant's deep roots help it access water from far below the surface, allowing it to thrive in arid conditions. Higher up in the cooler mountain air, pine forests dominate the landscape. Their evergreen needles are stark contrast to the browns and tans of the desert. These forests provide a habitat for a variety of wildlife, including birds, mammals, and insects. The pine tree's ability to retain their needles year-round allows them to photosynthesize even in the winter, making them a vital part of the mountain ecosystem. The forests also play a crucial role in preventing soil erosion and maintaining the water cycle in the region. And in hidden canyons, where water is more plentiful, ferns and mosses create a lush, verdant undergrowth. These shaded, moist environments are a stark contrast to the arid deserts and dry mountain slopes. The presence of water allows a different set of plants to thrive, creating a micro-ecosystem that supports a diverse range of species. The ferns and mosses not only add to the visual beauty of the canyons, but also play a crucial role in maintaining the humidity and soil health of these areas. Each plant, from the smallest desert flower to the tallest pine, plays a vital role in the intricate web of life that is Coahuila. These plants are not just passive elements of the landscape. They actively shape their environment and interact with other species. The flowers attract pollinators, the trees provide shelter, and the shrubs offer food. Together, they create a balanced ecosystem that supports a wide range of life forms. The flora of Coahuila is a testament to the resilience and adaptability of nature, showcasing the incredible diversity and beauty of plant life in this unique region. As our journey through Coahuila comes to an end, we are left with a profound sense of awe at the power and beauty of the natural world. From the vast expanse of the desert to the hidden depths of caves, from the towering peaks of mountains to the life-giving waters of rivers, Coahuila has revealed its secrets to us. Whether you seek adventure, solitude, or simply a deeper connection with nature, Coahuila has something to offer everyone.